Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nicole from Betsy and Francis, and we teach conscious small business owners like yourself how to grow your business through marketing and how to turn your purpose into profit. Now, today we're going to be talking about Instagram marketing and how to turn your followers into dream customers in 7 days. Now, before we get started, I just want to say that Instagram is not your whole marketing strategy. If you're relying solely on Instagram to grow your business, stop. It's not going to work with today's algorithm. However, it's amazing for acting as a big net that kind of scoops your potential dream customers in. Now, the 3 steps to actually start attracting and converting your dream customer in 7 days is that you need to use social media to start attracting them in through value-driven content, emotional connection, brand storytelling. This is what Instagram is incredible for and is what it's made for, really. So Instagram and Pinterest are your main traffic drivers, your engagers, and your emotional connectioners. So once you get them in, it's really important that we move on to step 2. So step 2 is all about having some kind of incentive to get your dream customer's email address. Just think back. When you put a post out there, when you put a story, with today's reach, that limitation on reach, only a very, very small percentage of your followers are gonna see that post or story, which means that you're no longer top of mind and you're easily forgotten. But if you can use the platform, prove you're a specialist, send out loads of valuable content to build trust, they're gonna then want to give you their email address so you can start email marketing to them. Now, you need some kind of incentive, whether that's a lead magnet or 10% off your first order, whatever it is, they're happy to get that in exchange for the email address. So this is what you need to use Instagram for. So I actually suggest putting that in your bio and actually having a call to action to a free download or incentive to get that email address. Okay, so thirdly, now you've got their email address, it's really important that you start email marketing to them. Now, email marketing sounds but it's actually the best way for you to convert your customers. Now, you've got to be really careful the way you do it though. You can't just start emailing with them like sell, promotion. You need to actually give before you ask for the sale in return. So you want to be doing a lot of content that's similar to your Instagram content, repurpose it through email, build trust, build emotional connection. So you want to be doing that at least twice a week through an email sequence. But before you do those twice weekly newsletters, you really need to nurture them through a welcome sequence. Now, when they give their email over to you, there's a little bit of trust there, but not a lot. So they're not going to buy from you. But if you have a welcome sequence, your customer is going to sign up for your email and they're going to be nurtured over the course of 7 days. Now, this is the who you are, what you do, why you do it, who you do it for, and what product or service you offer. So within 7 days, every day, that dream customer gets that email from you, and it's gonna build trust, likability, credibility, and they're gonna, by the end of that sequence, know that you're the business for them. So it's this welcome sequence that's gonna be able to convert your dream customers in 7 days. Now, you might be thinking, what on earth do I put in this welcome sequence? We have got the welcome sequence already made. All you have to do is fill it in with your own brand, your own story. The questions are there that are going to be able to work that sales psychology in and to be able to convert better. Now, a standard conversion rate for a welcome sequence is around 2 to 3%, which really isn't that much, but if you're relying on traffic from Instagram and Pinterest, that's going to really help you get even more people through it. The one that we've written is currently converting for us at 15%. Now, we have it, it's in the link in our bio. You can purchase it for $9 today, and you can actually start implementing your welcome sequence into your business in the next day or 2. So that's exactly how you can basically use Instagram to scoop these dream customers in, incentivize them firstly to get the email, and then nurture them through that welcome sequence. If you don't convert them in that first 7 days, that's okay. They need a little bit more time to get to know you and trust you before they're going to buy from you, especially depending on the price of your product or service. But the trust is going to be really high from that point because they're going to know, like, and trust you from that story that you're going to tell them. Then they're going to go into the twice weekly newsletters. You're going to send this on a Tuesday and a Thursday. They are the highest converting days. And you want 1 out of 5 of those emails to be purely promotional, but you want 4 out of 5 of them to be value driven. Now, you always want some kind of promotion at the end of your emails. Just make sure that the 4 out of 5 start with value. So maybe you lead them to a blog, or you have something interesting to tell them, or a how-to to share with them. Whatever it is, build trust that way, and then ask for the sale after that. So now you know how to attract your dream customer. All you need is the welcome sequence. Don't forget to click the link below if you need help creating that. $9 will get you the whole sequence, and you can fill in the questions to apply it to your business. Also, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You'll receive weekly tips and tricks all around marketing and growing your business online.